Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn how much can we spend. Money, together, step by step. When you go to a shop, you use money. Let's learn our coins and count how much we have. We use coins of 1, 2, 5, and 10 rupees. To count money, we add the coins. 5 plus 2 plus 2 is 9 rupees. To know if we can buy something, compare our money with the price. If we have enough, we can buy it. If you have 10 rupees and a toy costs 7, 10 is more than 7, so yes, and your change is 3 rupees. To recap, add coins to count money, compare it with the price, and the change is your money minus the price. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.